channel. This is our first ever video and we are so excited. You want to tell them what we're going to be doing?
A slime movie.
Yes. So
I'm Sparkle.
and I'm Shine, and we think that you are so divine.
So we're going to be telling you how to do this.
Okay, so we're going to be doing a slime review today. Okay? And so we're going to be telling you where we got this slime. You want to tell them? Sparkle?
We got this from Walmart.
Yes, and so this is in the Easter section. We found it yesterday, and it's so beautiful. It's got several different colors, and they're in little, they're called diamond ooze, and so they're in these cute, super sweet, super cute little diamond capsules. And so you can see it's pink, and it's got lots of beautiful silver glitter in there. So let's show them. We have pink. You want to hold it? Pink. We have yellow. And the yellow has, it looks like gold glitter in it. We have blue, and it has the silver glitter in it. And we have green, and it has the silver glitter in it too. So we are going to be using these slimes today, and we are going to be mixing them up. And these are only like $2.98, so they're super inexpensive, but it's a really great consistency slime. Sparkle super loved it. You see how it kind of keeps that diamond shape. I love that. Okay, so what color do you want to start with? What color do you think we should start with?
Pink.
Comment below. Tell them to comment below. What color do you think we should start with?
I think pink.
You think pink? Okay. And so these are a little difficult to open, so your kids may need your assistance opening them up. Oh yes, let's show them how. Play with it a little bit. Ooh, let's stretch it.
Ah!
It's so good. It's not like super sticky, and I love that.
Okay,
What do you think? Is it super satisfying? Yes.
Let's put it in there.
Okay, so we have pink in first.
Then blue.
Pink.
Then blue.
Oh, okay, now we're gonna do the blue.
Wait, if you go so slow, you can stretch. Okay, now let's put it in.
Okay. Blue. Okay, which one do you think next?
Yellow.
Green or yellow? Yellow? Yellow like the sunshine.
Okay. Okay, now how do you open it?
And one thing I love about these little containers is that you can even reuse them. You can use them to store like little specials in them. Like the little containers are so adorable. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so we have pink, blue, and yellow. Okay, put it in there. We're not gonna mix it up yet. We'll do it at the end. I'm gonna show everybody. So we have the pink, blue, and the yellow in here.
And now let's put the green in. Just show you how to stretch it. Okay, now let's put it in. So pretty.
It's so pretty. Okay, so we have what color? Pink, blue, yellow,
green.
green. Oh my gosh.
Okay, now
These are so beautiful.
where's this one from? Walmart?
Yes, so this slime the kids got for Christmas, and it is the little pack that comes with a slime, and it already has the fun little additives to it. So it already had the glitter that it wasn't already mixed up, but I had the little separate containers that had the glitter and the other fun things. So we're going to add just a little bit of that because this is Sparkle's Brothers. So we're just going to use a pinch of that.
Put it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. And then we're gonna
Okay.
And then we did this
And then Sparkle just got that. Where'd you get that one at?
Target.
Got that at Target. So we're gonna do just a little bit of that, not the whole thing. Just to give it some orange. Because we like all the colors.
Like
Don't
that.
we?
Wait. Like that.
Yeah, that's good. Just a handful. We don't want to make a super big batch, but we just want to mix the colors together. Okay.
Wait,
So this one is called the Neon Brights. What is it? And all these have the best consistency because I don't really love slime that's like super gooey and sticky. But these are like the perfect consistency. So this is called Amazing Slime XL and it's Neon Brights. And this was at Target in the kids section. Okay, so we're going to use a pinch of this.
Yeah.
So you can see this is another one that we got from Walmart with a slime. Do you want to put this one in it?
Yeah. Sure.
So this one has like the gold heart glitter and these little orange poofs. Okay, we're going to put a pinch of that in there. So that it's kind of clear with blue glitter, gold stars, and orange poofs. And this is Sparkle's Brothers as well. So we're just going to use a pinch of that.
This yellow slime. And this, somebody made this one for me.
Yes, you have some really great friends that are super kind and love to share.
So it's like not that stretchy. I think I'm going to put all this in.
Okay. So what color is that one?
It's purple.
Purple. Okay, so let's show them what we got here. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. Okay.
I'm going to mix it up.
Okay, let's hold it this way. Okay. Mix it up. Ooh. All right, guys, if you like these colors, be sure to hit the like button below to send us lots of rainbow love. Ooh, she's liking it so far. What do you think? Do you guys like it so far? Ooh, I love all the glitter together.
Wait, I'm going to put a little more of this.
A little more of that. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more of the neon. I'm going to hold it in my hand so they can see it. I'm going to move this ball out of the way.
This neon. And then mix it up.
Ooh, hit the like button if you're glad that Sparkle added some of the, more of the neon orange. Oh, ring the bell, ring the bell. Woo woo, ring it. Make sure too to subscribe. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button. Oh my gosh, Sparkle's got the most sparkliest slime that I have ever seen. All those colors look so beautiful together, Sparkle. You're doing so good. So magical. What do you think about it? Tell everybody what you think about the slime.
Because it has like all of the colors that I like.
Mm-hmm.
And it does have sparkles in it because I like sparkles.
That's good.
Like all the diamond slime, like I'm taking over it.
Yeah, and let's spread it out. Let them see it.
Ooh.
Woo!
This is
looks
so cool.
So cool. I love that. The slime feels so good.
Ooh. Oh, that's some of that.
Oh, you gonna blow it?
Wait, that didn't work.
That didn't work out. I was playing. I love when the slime sometimes like blows the bubbles.
Ew. No stretch.
So there we go, guys. This is what it made. It's so fun and it feels so good. Is it super satisfying, Sparkle?
Yes.
Yes. So thanks for watching our video and be sure to like and subscribe and we'll see y'all on our next Sparkle and Shine video. video. Bye, guys.